going to talk about pattern and rhythm of movement on this page. Pattern and rhythm and movement are principles of art, so they use the element of art. So a pattern is something that repeats. It is the repetition of elements of the art. Lines, shapes, and colors can all repeat to make a pattern. So in this section, I want you to draw for me 5 different types of patterns below. So let's look at a couple examples of patterns. You could have line patterns, vertical, horizontal, shape pattern, square, circle, number patterns, 1, 2, 1, 2, color patterns, blue, green, letter patterns, geo, AB patterns. That is where 2 things repeat. So that's what we're doing up at the top. Triangle, arrow, triangle, arrow, or an ABC pattern. That's 3 things that repeat: oval, triangle, oval, triangle, and you can have more than 3 things repeat. You could also do size pattern, big square, small square. There's all different ways you can make patterns. And let's do these. Let's try filling in the missing pieces of the pattern, just to make sure you see what they are. These are a little bit harder than in previous years. So you have smiley face, triangle, blank. Smiley face, triangle, blank. What do you think this blank is? I shouldn't have said blank here. Smiley face, triangle, blank, smile, triangle, down arrow. What do you think it is? I hope you said a down arrow. Here you have this circle with an X. You have a polygon, diamond, circle with an X, polygon. What do you think comes next? Diamond, and then a circle with an X. Good job. All right, here we have right arrow, this 5-sided object. Blank, 5-sided object, left arrow. So what do you think goes in the middle? I hope you said left arrow and then right arrow. All right, lightning bolt. We'll call it a kite. Lightning bolt, kite. What do you call this one? A lightning bolt. And then I just want to introduce you to movement and refresh your memory from previous years. So movement is a principle of art, and it's a way of combining elements of art to produce the look of action. So you can use lines to create movement, and the lines usually repeat to help show movement. You can also use something called an applied line. So that makes your eye move. So for example, I'm looking at this hand here and it's pointing over here and it makes my eye want to look over here. It almost forces my eye to look over here so that my eye continuously moves around my paper and doesn't stay stuck. That is a little bit about pattern and movement, and I hope you have fun using them in your artwork.